yeah, there it is. I'm gonna let it dry. Of course, there's some orange peel and other small imperfections, like things that fell somewhere around there. But no worries, the wet sanding will take care of that.
What's up, guys? Totally different day, and we're gonna continue working on the Chrysler. Let me show you guys where we're at. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is where we left off. I did add primer there because I had to sand down the what's it called, the glue strip that was right here. Of course, you saw I already have that painted, but I'm gonna block everything down, sand it down with a block, and then tape everything off, and then start spraying it with the spray can, which is honestly is the same color. It's just glossier because this one's newer than that one, but it's pretty close. I still need to maybe polish that side just to bring the gloss back out, but it's pretty similar, so it's gonna stay that way. You guys won't hardly notice the difference. So yeah, I'm gonna continue working. Okay, guys, so as you can see, everything's blocked off. You can't really see it, but I already hit everything with the block sandpaper, and I'm ready to tape everything off, mask everything down, and start spraying. Okay, guys, as you can see, everything is pretty much taped off. I'm gonna go ahead and get some wax and tar remover and just wipe the whole car down and start spraying. When I get my mask, like always, remember to use a mask. I think this is one of the most important things when you're working with cars. Don't forget that, guys. Okay, so this is how it ended up looking. As you can see, there's still some orange peel and stuff like that, but I still gotta wet sand it and buff it. But I'm gonna let it dry for a couple of days, because even though it is dry to the tag, if I do the buffer, I'm just gonna strip the whole paint off But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff back on. I mean, the gasket, the seal, all the stuff that goes right here, there, here, the mirror, and that should be it for now. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. This is the side, the rear quarter panel. It's there. I mean, it's not perfect, but at least it's way better than what it was, so I'm okay with that. Looks pretty similar to this side, so I'm good. The paint looks great also, so that's it. Okay, where we left off was, I painted the car, cleared it, and we're waiting for it to dry. So in the meantime, I'm putting everything back together. I got the door panel, I got this inner plastic, what else, all these little chrome trims outside. That door pillar was missing, that little triangle right there, all the chrome on the bottom, the chrome strip. I still need to remove the front door panel because I need to put the plastic underneath this one that goes right here, which I have right here in the back. Let me show you guys. Oops, I don't have it. Where is it at? Oh, it's right here. Here it is. This plastic goes right there, so I need to remove that.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video's description.
Because, well, that's missing. Another thing is that this is loose. I didn't put this back on, so that's an issue. Not big of an issue, but another thing that I have to do is go ahead and put the liner under here, because remember I removed the tire to push that dent out. So yeah, this is where I'm at. So I'm gonna continue. Another thing that I'm gonna do is paint this plastic, which is a chrome plastic. As you can see, it's already sanded down. I already sanded it down. You can see all the little lines, but it's this plastic right there. You can see it's missing, so this one goes right there. But I'm gonna paint it black again. Well, not again. I'm gonna paint this one black with the same paint from the car, which is right there. That should be enough, and then clear it and put it back on. So this is an easy thing. So yeah, let me go ahead and start doing this. Okay, I got the door panel off. I have the plastic installed, as you can see. So now we're good to put the door panel back on. The back door panel is on. Everything's perfect. I just can't find the seal now. I've been looking all over for it and I can't find it. So I'm gonna leave it like that, and later on order a new one from eBay or something. And yeah, let me put the door panel. Okay guys, it's getting dark. Check this side out. I haven't touched that side. I just washed the car, but this is the side that got painted. And honestly, the paint's on point. Check it out. Check out the hood and the fender. So basically the same color. Like I said, I still need to wet sand it and get some imperfections out. Like, let me see if I can spot one right there. These little dots, you can see those right there. There's some more. And let me know what you guys think of this section, man. I mean, I could tell that something's been done to it because I know that I did it. But honestly, like, if you just look at it, it's kind of hard for you to notice it. But the paint came out nice. Let me know what you guys think, like always, in the comment section. I'm gonna show it to you guys tomorrow because right now the sun is going down. So yeah guys, it's looking good. What's up guys? I hope you guys can hear me. I'm wearing the mask because of all the wildfires, guys. Let me show you guys.
I don't know if you guys could tell, man, but it's white. It's like foggy. So, I mean, we can't really be breathing these. At first it smelled like smoke, but now it smells like plastic and all kinds of stuff. So, we've been checking out the news, and here in the area is the worst. So, I mean, most of California is burning out, but I mean, if you guys could smell it, if you guys live here in California, it's like Central California, Central Coast, you know what I'm talking about. But like I said, mainly all California is having fires. So I've been trying to work on the car, but you know, all this ash is still falling. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this video. One thing that I do want to show you guys, see the corner lights, they're blacked out. They are wrapped in black vinyl, same as this. See, and it looks way better. At least I think it looks way better. Let me know what you guys think. Like always, it just makes it look different. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. I also did that tail lamp one piece, but I'm gonna eventually wrap all the way up here, from here to down here, just to make it look like the newer Chrysler from the side. But I can't really do nothing about it right now. It just stinks out here. It smells too bad. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification bell, and also if you guys need some ceramic coating, because I am going to be ceramic coating this car for sure. So you know, Avalon Kings, I'll leave the link in the description. You get $25 off in your purchase. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.